I hope you were able to appreciate how the leaflets are coming on top of the anchors interacting with the leaflets and the valve. The last thing we will do now, we are interacting with the anatomy quite a bit. So if we maneuver the device within the anatomy where we are now, all we will do is we will tilt the valve a little bit. And if you look on the red panel, you can see, maybe Teresa, you can facilitate the explanation with the cursor. You can see that the anchor at the septal leaflets, they're pretty much at the hinge point. Whereas when we look laterally, we see...
I can switch a little bit. So, sorry. So now.
Okay, and here we see the lateral anchor is a little bit lower, or the hinge point laterally is higher up. It's only small things to adjust, but what we can now do is we can remove secondary flex, and thereby we tilt the valve a little bit, meaning that we will come further up laterally. And to demonstrate it even further, we will switch to fluoroscopy, please.
We need fluoro.